Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to use Otter AI with Zoom. So pretty much what's Otter AI and what it does. So this service is based on AI, artificial intelligence, and it lets you transcribe the video calls or audio calls in the various live meeting services or calls. So it currently supports Zoom, Google Meet and Microsoft Teams. So if, for example, you want to create a call, maybe you have an interview or just some kind of call with a certain person that you wish to document and turn it into the text or maybe translate it after. So as you speak, you add Otter AI to your call and it actually transcribes your call and whatever's being said in the call into the text. So for example, I've had this meeting on, what was it? This was just some kind of meeting, I don't really remember where. So I'm just going to stop this one, turn it off. And as you can see, if I go here, so I've just recorded a YouTube tutorial in it. And as you can see, this is everything that I said inside the video. When I spoke through the microphone, it transcribed. So now I'll show you how. So if you want to do this with Zoom, pretty much just create a new Zoom call. Okay, so press on schedule. Let's just go with the default settings, save. Okay, and now just start it. All right, so let us just install the workspace. I thought it works through the web, I guess not. Okay, starting up, and I will also use my microphone in here. Okay, and start. All right, allow that. And this is our call, guys. Okay, and now guys, what you have to do is just copy your invitation link, which is right over here. Copy the invitation. All right, I suppose we will need to insert this link. And then we just paste it in here and press on record. All right. And now let us go back to our Zoom. All right, and as you can see now, Brian's note taker, which is basically my Otter AI, is trying to record this meeting. So basically, as you can see, the way this works, when you insert the link to your call and press record, in the call itself, you will need to approve that for the Otter AI to record the call. All right, if you don't approve this and decline this, it's not going to work. So press on approve. All right, approve.
Recording in progress.
Okay, so now the people that are in the call know that we're recording. And if you want to know that it's recording, just navigate to your homepage like this, and then go into the live meeting. And as you can see, as I'm talking, now it's recording and transcribing the text, which is pretty cool. As you can see, I'm just talking and the text appears in here. So that's pretty much how this is done. Pretty simple, no additional steps required. And now you're ready to transcribe your voice into text in the Zoom. So enjoy, guys. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe. And also, guys, we have the affiliate links in the video description for you to get some cool discounts on the subscriptions for Otter. So check them out in the video description. And I will see you in the next one.